Hello everyone, I am Diego Lopez and I invite you to learn about the super tourist plan in the rural area of Pains in the city of Cali, born of the Cascada of Indio. Introduction of the place. The Cascada of Indio is an ecotourism site located just south of the city of Cali, about Pueblito Pains. It has a picnic area and a set of accommodation or cabins in addition to having a restaurant, bar area. This wonderful destination stands out for its cold climate, its aerial fauna and wild flora, sometimes cloudy and magnificent waterfall which is of natural origins, and gives continuity to the Pains River. Duration of the trip 3 days and 2 nights, where you can enjoy services such as accommodation in a cabin, afternoon at the waterfall, bar area, restaurant, breakfast service, lunch and dinner, ecological route, free space for spa, waterfall or river, campfire and legends, service bonfire for visitors, and many other activities. They can leave and enter the facilities whenever they want in case they want to tour Pueblito Pains and surroundings. How to get? If you arrive by mass transit service Mio, it leaves you until Boragine and you wait have to wait for 20 minutes to the recreation center. But you can also get directly to the place by taxi or private transport, car or motorcycle, since there is a parking area for visitors. In Pueblito Pains and inside the Cascada of Indio Recreational Center, tourists can enjoy typical dishes such as chicken stew or chicken white bread, pork chop, racked beef, or churrasco. Even an impressive pastry in some places, as very homemade. As for drinks, you can liquors such as brandy, rum, beer, natural juice, and soft drinks. The cost of the tour package: 250,000 per person. If you are combined, you can take a couple plan for a cost of 400,000. Couple all included, or a family plan for a cost 618,000 for people, which additional cost of 130,000 per person.